Okay, one last thing. I want to explain how to not make this a burden. I don't want you to feel like this is this huge task for you to do every single day, that you have to check every little box or every 2 boxes or anything like that, or that you have to fill out every line, or that what happens if you skip a day or you miss it. You know, I don't want you to feel like, oh, this is a task, or, you know, because if it starts to become a task, then what happens is you switch into victim mindset, victim mode, and you are feeling like you are the victim of this planner that has now taken over your life. The planner is designed to give you your life back, to give you clarity, to give you an understanding of what's going on. And so you want to make sure that you stay in that mindset rather than victim mode. The easiest way to do this is use the checklist here, and I've left space so that it's easy for you to find this. But like this last week, I had to do something for my daughter, and I was driving till midnight. I'm not a late night guy, but I was driving till midnight, and then I had to get up at 5 a.m. to take another daughter to the airport, and I was exhausted. Well, I didn't get into my purpose planner that day, and so what I can do right there is I can create a another little checkbox under body, or maybe you want it under mind or spirit or something like that. I just write self-compassion, and then I check it off. What am I giving myself? I'm giving myself a break. I'm allowing myself to have a break there. So do that, try it out. Self-compassion is just a wonderful way. It's a practice that you can get into so that you are never getting into victim mode, but you're doing things by choice. All of this is about helping you be more intentional, more deliberate, more conscious about your choices. And when you are making the choices you truly want, that will get you the life that you want by design, not by default, that's when you find great success. So anyway, thank you very much. I hope these videos help you. And again, post things on the Facebook group. And that's it. I think I just lost that camera. Anyway, thank you very much. I hope the videos help you out. Post ideas in the Facebook group and share what you found and what you've learned that can hopefully help others. Thanks.